on blood clot TikTok every day.
You walk
Me
and
do
sell
TikTok
body
24 hours. Me
every
no
day.
sell a
You
pussy.
walk and fuck body.
Yeah, me no walk and fuck a blood clot.
You
Man, give me
know, make
money
you reach
naturally. Come
nowhere.
your
Look how you make you
icon.
miserable. You still have to walk and sell body in a foreign.
No,
you
me
don't
no
do
sell
nothing
body, me love, me
progressive
da sell
since
body, me
you're
on
over there. There's
TikTok.
a menaces to
If me
society.
did a sell body, me would on TikTok,
At least
Shauna.
me frig and do
If me
something
did a
with
sell
myself.
body, me would on blood clot.
Me not have to
TikTok. Man, give me money
continuously do
naturally.
the same
No
thing
man
when me
not do no
start.
money. No
You
man not
start
pound and do no
somewhere and
money.
you still have to
Man, give
continue
me
and
money
sell
naturally,
bottom.
no blood clot.
And
No
you
man
say you're
not
up on
do
a higher
nothing.
ass
Me
than
say,
me.
oh man mind me.
You say
Remember,
you're up on
oh,
a
my
bigger
man, man,
pedestal
my
than me and you still a walk and sell
Can you
ass.
mute me? Mute her back. Number one, chef, mute me. Man no mind, unu mind, man. Man mind blood clot me, come here, icon, man, give me money. You're bright, go sell, but not sell, but you have blood clot, me tell us, something me love, me not have to do them, something, yeah, come and TikTok and beg. Come man send money natural to me, Shauna, move your dirty, biggie bag, shitty bag, blood clot, Shauna, you come go like you had this, Shauna, remember you was a beat, no stick back in the blood clot days. I want to fucking chill low, fucking fuck box. Every man you fuck them, say your pussy think of them don't want back that gully back shit in your pussy, poop in your pussy go brap. Shauna, move your dirty blood clot and we're thinking Bigfoot, Shauna. Hey, go girl. Hey, no play with me, no stinky dinky. What for your pussy I drop out? Shauna, me have a batty pussy greater than your mouth. My pussy wall man, your pussy no wall man. Okay, if your pussy did go gully back for the beat out your blood clot for your pussy bad. Don't do it.
In my class himself, cause me not hear him. Yeah, I was weak. You disturb it. You don't have nobody else to cuss this week. The same old story now make you get nowhere with you. I do the same thing every week. I cuss the same people them. So you come for me this week. Hello? I'm not arguing with him. I'm not arguing with him. I'm tell you say the same. That's why I don't mess it. The boy make him a go on so. Cause him can't get the boy you know, so him thinks me and the boy in a things. Or me a stop him progress. Forget the boy. Me not even think about the boy. And through my band with Pum Pum, I'm a progressive. Oh God, me could have never get the opportunity to live in a different country and still walk and sell ass. And torment and sad. You miserable. Every day you ugly and ugly and uglier more. You're just ugly and ugly. I get ugly every day. I be a woman he argue with. Cause I don't know what this come up with. All this time and a circle my page. And then now today all of a sudden. This boy a come and yes argue with me. I mean don't know boy. Me was no friend with nothing. I just laugh with them and make them think. Say, me and them man none of no friend. Me know none of them. Me not keep friendship with non-progressive people. I could have never be friends with somebody who walk and sell fuck. I'm a different type of species. It's the only thing that he's a legend. Gully Bop is a legend. Okay? So don't feel no way when he call Gully Bop name. They have to call his name. He's a legend. Gully Bop is a fucking legend. Know that. What is disturbing you this week?